Hey guys, welcome to part two of my mindset hacks for online success. Today I'd like to talk to you about specific and definite. And what do I mean by those two things? Being specific in your goal setting is very important in the online industry. So when you set a goal, make sure that you are being specific. For instance, if you're setting a goal and you want to accomplish something, let's say by January, February, something like that, you're going to say, I want to make so much money by January or February of next year or whatever. So that's what I mean by specific. Be specific in anything. The next thing is being definite. Okay? I'm sorry, I'm looking at my book here, but being definite. Don't go from item to item. There's lots of things out there to distract anyone who is starting their own online industry or their online business. And there's lots out there that's distracting you. Be definite. Don't go from item to item. Don't go from promise to promise. Stick with something. Stick with one thing until you see success. This being said, you want to stick with everything and be persistent until you see success. These are things that I've found since I started doing high-ticket affiliate marketing that have really helped me. So if this has helped you at all, like and subscribe, follow, comment on my video. And if you'd like to see my #1 program, make sure you ask about that in the comments as well. Stay cool.